What is that? The Austin Powers movie? Have you ever seen that?
I've not
Where
seen that.
he just slowly just goes down and comes up.
Yeah, I've
Or
actually.
or he does the elevator, and then all of a sudden he. All right, ready? Hey guys, I'm Tommy Clutch Creal again here with training with the Twisted High Compression Garage. We're going to be running through TIG Welding 101. Today I'm just going to be simply going through how to lay down some quick tacks, lay a nice little bead on stainless steel, 304 stainless steel to be specific, and also your machine, some of the components to it, and that's what we're looking at today. But if you want to know more about TIG welding, some of our advanced TIG welding and aluminum TIG welding, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out much more videos to come and that are already up today. Today we're going to be using 2 pieces of 304 stainless steel, using filler rod as our filler, and I'll be going through step by step on how to do that. So first thing we want to do with ensuring that our metal is ready to be welded is to sand this down, get all the contaminants off it, rust, anything that may be on there. And how we're going to be doing that today is by taking our little air sander and grinding that all the way down. When sanding down using a power sander, quick tip and trick to this is that you never want to go down directly on it and push and push and push. Go in a circular pattern, which allows to get an even surface all the way through as you sand your metal down. As you can see, no more contaminants on this piece. This piece is good to go. We'll be doing the same thing on this piece as well. Now that we've got that done, we're going to be using today our Miller Diversion 180 welder. We have our torch tip right here. Torch tip, you have your tungsten inside with your cup. We have a smaller cup size on, helps us control the arc a little better. We've actually filed down our tungsten, which helps with controlling the arc as well. We have our ground, which directly connects to the other side of the metal, providing the flow through of the electrical current. And then we have our foot pedal. Our foot pedal helps control the pulse and the arc going through our torch. This is the holy grail of it all right here. So by applying pressure here, helps with shielding gas coming out, how much to come out, and how much amperage is coming out of your machine as well. So in this video, you will not see me using this, but my foot at times will be pushing this down as I see the puddle getting larger or smaller to help control that a little better. Now when welding, what you want to do, first step is to place 2 tacks. Tack is just a simple penetrating bead right there on one end, same thing on the other, holding the piece in place. And for that, you can typically use a magnet to hold your things in place. Hey Matt? Magnet. Magnet. I'm going to use a magnet essentially and get that magnet. Oh! We're going to need a magnet for this one. Dude, that was awesome, man. You know what, we'll probably use another magnet for this too at the same time, just to secure this side. So we've got a magnet down here holding that piece, and then we'll just use another one as well. Our shielding gas for this is argon. We've got this set, PSI all set. We've got it set to our stainless steel chromality setting. I put it at 115 amperage, which will allow us to get that much amperage if needed to help with welding this. Filler rod, unlike MIG welding, where you actually have the wire coming out providing the metal for you as you weld, TIG welding does need an additional external metal to come in and help fill out that weld as you go through and lay your beads. There are different diameters and different types, and you should consult with an experienced welder or comment below. We'll give you some tips and tricks on that how to figure that out as well. So now that we got that fired up, I'm going to lay 2 tacks down. If you have to see our other videos yet, the reason why you want to lay some tacks down is to make sure your work surface is ready and it won't move as you're going through and welding. So we're going to lay one area down on this side, one on this side, 2 tacks on the other side, and that will help ensure that our piece does not move from there on out. Make sure everyone in the room is ready to go. First tack is down. Get our other one down here. As you can see, we have both our tacks down. We could actually put up the amperage a little bit on our machine. These aren't going in too much, too deep. So we're going to bring up the amperage a little bit on our TIG welder. Alright, as I move forward now when welding this, I'm going to be going in a circular fashion all the way through, applying filler where it needs to be filled, and also monitoring the heat and the speed of the weld as well. As you can see, with adding no filler, you're going to get a much deeper weld right there. Woo! That was hot. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tommy Clutch Creal with Training with the Twist.